The 2025 BYD Sealion 07 DM is stepping into the spotlight with a bold mission: combine cutting-edge hybrid technology with real-world usability. Built on BYD's latest DMI 5.0 platform, this mid-size crossover does not just look sharp, it delivers serious range and power too. Under the hood, you will find a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with electric motors and BYD's well-known Blade lithium iron phosphate battery. In its DMI version, the focus is on fuel efficiency and long electric driving range, while the DMP variant brings all-wheel drive and more spirited performance. BYD claims a pure electric range of up to 150 kilometers and a total driving range of around 1,320 kilometers. That is impressive for a plug-in hybrid. Production of the Sealion 07 DM began in March 2025 at BYD's advanced manufacturing facility in Xi'an, China. This model replaces the Frigate 07 and takes the brand's design language and tech to a new level. BYD has made it clear that this vehicle will not stay exclusive to China. It is designed to go global. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exciting updates like this one.